Hello, when your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is not charging when plugged in, I will quickly give you some tips you can do to check it out. First of all will be the cables and the charging bricks. So first I recommend you to check for your cable, for your charging cable, if the cable is actually not bent, if the USB Type-C connector is not bent, or if the cable is not damaged somewhere on the cable right here. And actually, if everything is alright, looks alright, but the cable is not charging, it's recommended to try with other devices, like for example try plugging into some power bank on other device, simply to check if it's a problem with the cable, because sometimes the wires inside the cable might be actually damaged and there's not much you can do actually about it, instead of soldering it, cutting the cable in the half and soldering the broken connections. Next, what you can do, if the cable is actually alright and if it's working, you can check for the charging adapter, and actually you can check for these pins if they are not bent. Actually you can see it's kind of bent, but sometimes it's just actually normal thing, because like for some reason, unknown reason for me, actually these pins might get bent. But actually check for the USB port right here, and actually you can also try plugging in something or try measuring the current that which may provide this charger brick. And sometimes also there might be no way actually to fix the charging adapter, and it's actually not recommended to fix this because it might damage your phone or something, or any other device. So simply don't try to fix it, just simply check if it's alright. But in case the either cable and the charger adapter are working fine, from here it is able to actually, I recommend you to take a look at the USB Type-C port inside right here and check if there is some dirt or dust inside, which might block actually the connector, Type-C connector, from going all the way into the port and connecting to your phone. If there is any dust or something like this, it is recommended to try cleaning it with not actually the toothpick or something, because the toothpick is too thick. Actually you can try with compressed air or something like this, or for example I'm cleaning my USB ports with this kind of like stripes of paper. It is kind of like from the cards. Let me quickly show you, because like you can have this card like this, something like this, and I'm making a little stripes out of this, and it is actually pretty nicely working with taking out all of the junk. And additionally, actually, if there is no junk in your USB port, you can also try restarting your phone, because sometimes when charging there might be some problem with the network, with the current. If there's some problem while charging, the phone might actually turn off the USB Type-C port for security reasons, and there will be actually no way to charge with your charger, even though the cable and the adapter are alright. You can simply try restarting your phone by going into the power menu. Let me just quickly going into the power menu and restarting, and this might actually be the case, because for safety reasons this phone might actually turn off the Type-C port if there is any problem with charging. And if this also doesn't work, well, I actually recommend you to contact with the Samsung support. And also, I just forgot, you can also try checking if you are up to date, if your software is up to date. All the way down in the settings, go into the software update, click download and install, and check for updates if you are up to date. And as you can see, I'm able to update, but simply, yeah, update your phone and also check if this will work. And if not, apparently you will have to contact with the Samsung support for some instructions and probably for more information about how to fix this or something like this.